Are you thinking of ways to make your outdoor gatherings more fun and memorable? Look no further than a backyard bar. With a backyard bar, you can have everything you need in one place and add a special touch to your parties. The good news is that you don't have to follow any traditional style to create a backyard bar. In this video, we will explore 7 of the best backyard bar ideas that you can use, no matter how much space you have available. The first option is to create a bar attached to your home. This is a great idea if you have limited space and materials. You can attach a simple plank of wood to the side of your home and add some chairs to make a cozy outdoor dining area. If you're someone who loves to spend time with nature, why not create a garden bar as a getaway? This bar is attached to a potted plant structure of some kind and allows you to enjoy some greenery while sipping on your favorite drinks. All you need is a tall, hollow box, dirt, and some seeds. You can even turn this into your little garden and get fresh produce while sitting outside at the bar. Next up is the pallet outdoor bar, which is perfect for those on a budget. You can use pallets to make a simple and charming outdoor bar without spending a lot of money. You can keep it as simple or as complicated as you like, and it won't take up a lot of space. If you're looking for something more elegant, consider a stone bar. While this option is more expensive and requires more effort to build, it looks natural and beautiful in almost any yard. You can even add your grill to complete the look. Another unique option is a bar with barrels. This type of bar is sure to get the conversation started, and you can customize it to suit your taste. All you need are a few barrels, some metal, and the type of wood you want to use for the top. The final option is a portable bar, which is perfect if you don't have a lot of space or if you want to take your bar on the go. You can use a repurposed cart or create your own portable bar with a few pieces of wood and wheels. And if you want more backyard ideas, watch this video next as we cover 8 fabulous pergola shade ideas for your backyard.